Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Adobe Acrobat application on my computer, and to fix the problem, the first step we can try is go to the help menu. You can select the menu right here, and then you can go to the help, and then I'm going to go to the Acrobat Reader help. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. It will bring us to the Adobe website. Okay, and you can search for the Adobe support right here. You can describe the problem that you face. I'm going to type in Adobe Acrobat failed to load. Okay, and you can scroll down to find the view all support right here. You can choose the article which is suitable with your problem, or you can go to the Adobe Assistant. You can just type the problem you want to solve, and hopefully the assistant will help your problem. And then the second method you can try is adding your Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. You can go to the Microsoft Store, or go to the Adobe website to update your Adobe Acrobat application. I'm just going to type in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, and this one guys, and we can check for the update on this application. If you need to update your Adobe Acrobat, the update button will appear right here, and we will be able to update our application. And the last method you can try is reinstalling your Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you can go to your apps menu, and you can uninstall your Adobe Acrobat. Right click on it and uninstall. Then you can go to the Microsoft Store or go to the Adobe Acrobat website to reinstall your Adobe Acrobat application. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!